Assalamu alaikum, marhaban. Welcome to another Arabic language lesson on our Arabic learning channel. With you is your brother Abu Jandal. Today we'll be exploring colors in Arabic. Let's get started. Let's begin with the color red. We are going to write the meaning of red both in Arabic and its English transliteration. Red, ahmar, ahmar, red, ahmar. Then we have yellow, asfar, asfar. Then we have blue, azraq, azraq. Green, akhdar, akhdar. Brown, buniyun, brown, buniyun. Orange, burtuqali, burtuqali. Pink, wardi, pink, wardi. Purple, urjuwani, purple, urjuwani. Some will call it arjuwani, arjuwani. Gray, ramadi, gray, ramadi. White, abiyad, abiyad. Black, aswad, aswad. Congratulations, you have learned some basic colors in Arabic. Keep practicing to master your vocabulary. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language lessons. In the coming episode, we are going to bring up these colors with example sentences to better your understanding of their usage. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.